Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. My name is Sid. I want to say thank you for always watching me. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for the old subscribers. Thank you for always commenting, liking. So today we'll be making roasted grilled fish Aka burning fish in Cameroon. So in this recipe we need fish of any type, fresh fish of any type. So today I decided to go with tilapia, so I have to clean it thoroughly first. That's the first thing, removing the scales, the intestines, the gills, things like that. Okay. Just making sure that it's clean. That's what I'm trying to do. Next thing, I have to cut it so that the ingredients can perfectly penetrate and done. So I have to put it in the sieve so that water can be leaking out from the fish in order to avoid excess water. So the next thing is my lemon. As you can see, you can use lime. So I already put my lime. I marinated it with lime or lemon in order to remove excess fat. So I'm just making sure that the lemon juice go into the fish very well. And I'm putting now the fish in order to drain water while I'm doing other things. But before that, I have to marinate it with a little bit salt and seasoning. That's what you will see me doing here. Subscribers, can you tell me in the comment section where you are watching from so that I can say hello to you? Do you know how to make roasted fish? If not, please learn here. This is the simplest recipe ever. Okay, so the next thing is, while the fish is draining, we're going to blend our ingredient. Here we have ginger, onion, garlic, Gansang, and another ingredient. We also have celery or parsley. Yeah, so those are the ingredients that we'll be using today, as you can see in this plate. The next thing is to put it in the blender and blend. Everyone, have you ever made roasted fish before? If not, and if you don't know how to do it, learn this recipe. It's going to help you. Fish is one of the most common delicacies we eat in Cameroon. Okay, so we have to blend our ingredients. As you can see, I'm just chopping the parsley into smaller chunks in order to blend them. Please guys, like and subscribe. So I'm just putting it there. And then after this, I will blend. So when blending, I'll put a little bit of seasoning and I'll put a little bit of salt in order to make sure that it goes into the spices well. Now I'm blending it. I will blend it until it is thoroughly blended. The spices is ready, guys. Next is for me to put it in the bowl and marinate the fish. So I've put it in the bowl. It's time to marinate the fish. Guys, if you are watching up to this time, it means you love the video. Please can you subscribe and bring your family, your friends, your mom, your dad, your uncles, your daddy, your neighbor's neighbor, your friends to watch my channel. Thank you for those encouraging me. I appreciate you all. So I'm still marinating the fish. I am done, so I have to leave it for some time in order for the marinade to go deep into the fish and into the fish bones. Okay, yeah, so we leave it there for about 2 hours. So right now it's time for roasting. That's a foil paper, and I sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it, and now I'm putting my marinated fish. Boom! Next thing will be the oven. That's the fish, guys. It's taken into the oven for roasting, and I roast it with broil. Yeah, I put my oven on broil. So that's the fish. When you put it in the oven, you add another marinade for it to go right deep, and so that the marinade should go right deep into the fish. Now the top side is ready. I want to turn it in order to do the bottom side. So after turning it, now I need to marinate this bottom side that is up now. So I'm just turning it. So right now I will marinate it again because there was no enough spices at the top. So now I need to marinate it and put it back into the oven. Thank you for watching, guys, and I appreciate you all. Can you comment where you are watching from so that I can greet you and say hello? Thank you so much for watching my channel. So you see, the fish is already ready. It's ready, guys. It's ready. If you know my house, come and enjoy with me. I'm just making sure that more spices go in. That's all. But the fish is already ready. It's already ready, guys. So this is how they make simple Cameroonian roasted grilled fish. Aka burning fish. Guys, what do you want me to do next? Put it in the comment section and I'll be there ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please always stop by to watch my videos. I will always put in something. Thank you all and I appreciate. Now the next thing is fish, pepper, onion and the green spices. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.